In the heart of New York, we believe that every day can be extraordinary, and at New York Friends Home, we're here to make that a reality. Nestled in a funky Brooklyn, Bedford-Stuyvesant neighborhood, New York Friends Home serves as your sanctuary. Choose from a range of elegantly furnished shared or private rooms, thoughtfully designed to provide ample storage and a fully equipped stock kitchen, complete with a microwave, coffee maker, and dishwasher, ensuring a seamless and convenient stay. Furthermore, you'll have also access to a range of practical amenities to simplify your daily tasks, including free laundry services, weekly cleaning, ironing facilities, and co-working spaces. But the excitement doesn't end there. New York Friends Home's prime location puts you right in the heart of the student community, with renowned institutions like Brooklyn Law School and CUNY Hunter College just a stone's throw away. Plus, your weekends will be brimming with dining options, thanks to the proximity to popular restaurants like Sea Wolf and Peter's Crunchy Red Tacos. So are you ready to embark on your journey as a true New Yorker? Secure your spot for an unforgettable student life at amberstudent.com today.